Welcome to Roman Catholic Development Society RCDS. President Luis D'Souza, President or Director temporarily. C. I like to tell something about engineering colleges, Catholic missionary engineering colleges. One of these is that is Don Bosco Engineering College, Kurla, Saint Xavier's Engineering College, Borivali, Father Agner Engineering College, Washi, Father Rodriguez Engineering College, Bandra. Example: these all colleges have seats 60, and minority Roman Catholics means we minority Catholics we have seats 31 out of 60, 31. Management quota 12, and 17 merit people from other caste etc. Okay, and if you want to get admission in these colleges, so you must face the CET exam, and you have to give, if you have passed with good marks, then you have to give donation around 1 lakh 1.5 lakh donation to get that admission. You should have Roman Catholic on your Roman Catholic on your living certificate. Then only you will get admission. Else you will not get admission. The St. John's College. It is in Palghar. It is Christian minority. It is the Christian minority. Means any minority means it comes Protestant, Christian, or any Jain and Jain other religion also. So and we people don't know about these many colleges like this. There are, what I had told you, these are some colleges. There are many colleges all over India, medical colleges, engineering colleges, this all that. And this all should be, this is the work of bishop, priest, cardinals. They should inform in church that there are such colleges. You have to face CET, then you will get marks, this. First of all, what we will do, they are not doing this all. They should inform this. I myself till now don't know anything about these colleges and all that. Just because of Google and this, I came to know. Okay, and what we will do, first of all, we will try our best that they should not take that donation. That they are saying the our Catholic quota is 51%. 51% means out of 60, 31 people are Catholic, but they take donations 1.5. We will stop this. We will try to stop this. We will tell the bishops, cardinals. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, and we have George De Cruz, George De Cruz, sir, who will guide you from from Sipahi post to UPSC post. That is from Sipahi post to IS officer. He will guide you. And we have Rohan Carvalho, who is good in MNC company. Means he has got admission in Catholic colleges and he is doing best in his life. So we have two people, and I myself will fight. I will fight with the government to help minority people. I will fight with the Pope. I will inform the Pope. That our Catholics should get better education, highest education, and no donations and no fees. No fees means what I will do. See, I will fight. How I will fight? For example, there is 1,60,000. Example, I'll tell you. 1 meter. Example per year fee. Example per year fee is 1,60,000. For 4 years, 6,40,000. Okay. So other caste like VJNT, the scheduled caste, they people, when they get admission, they only pay fees how much per year? Per year they fee only 4,000 rupees. That is exam fees, and other things are they get concession. In the same way, we'll try our best that our people should get engineering degree in 4,000 into 4, only 16,000. That we will do it. That I will inform the Pope. I will inform the government that our Catholics minority, they are downtrodden, and only exam fees should be taken. That later on, but at least that is later on. Okay, for at least our people should get admission, first admission. They should get the admissions first. You will not find any Catholic engineer will not find any Catholic doctor, nurses from these colleges. From this one, they take admission, they give admission to other people, and they are making, they are growing other community or other people, not for us. That we will try. Okay, and we'll try. This RCDS, Roman Catholic Development Society, just for temporary, for 5 years it will run. Whether I may remain president, or another, if I feel I can make president to George Cruz or Ron Carvalho, that will we will work together. Sindhudurga Diocese, this is only Sindhudurga Diocese, Roman Catholic Development Society, Sindhudurga Diocese. And the bishops should take the initiative. Bishops, judicial vicars, parish priest, if all cannot become an engineer or doctor, okay, but at least few people who are intelligent, they don't have money, can't take loan, okay, and they should give this exam fees, only exam fees. That I will do. If my Roman Catholic Development Society gets registered under government, then I will try my best that our Catholic people should give only exam fees. Exam fees means 1,60,000 into 4, 6,40,000. Only exam fees 4,000. When you will complete your engineering in 16,000 rupees. That is very tough. You have to fight with the bishops, cardinals, judicial vicars, fight with the Pope, fight with the government. If they don't give such facility, we will fight. We go and inform the minority minister, we inform the education minister. We have to fight this, and this is all for your. It's just thinking, and this all bishops should tell. Bishops, priests take initiative that they should inform all these colleges list in their parish. We don't know, I don't know. There are many all over India, nursing college, medical college, engineering college, there are many, but we people don't know, and we don't fight. We don't go for CET exams, we don't fight. Even if you face the CET exam, you have to give donation there, and people don't have money. First we will stop that donation, later on only exam fees. That I will do, but give me, just support me. You have to just support me. Okay, bye bye, love you all, bye bye, thank you.